so on the baby experiment thing, we were thinking more in the biological side about how it could be related to OCD, it could be related to survival, but we were mostly thinking about how as human beings, as a race, we survive by cooperating, we evolve by cooperating. So when the baby drops his pacifier, the mother picks it up. So when the baby sees the old man drops like a notebook or whatever, he picks it up as well as part of like survival. And on a cognitive level, we're thinking that when they're brought up, they think when they do good things, they get rewarded. Like they get a piece of candy or something. And when they saw like the old man drop something, they thought that if they would do it, they would earn something. And on a social cultural level, we're thinking more of a common sense because they're brought up in family, and like exactly the same thing with the with my other analogy that if the when they're brought up, when they drop a pacifier, the mother picks it up. So they were brought up to think that if someone drops something, you have to pick it up for them.